Sit down, please.
Before we start our lesson today, let us pray together. Pray, begin. Pray, over.
Are there any students absent today?
No, ma'am. All students are present.
Well, students, today we are going to learn Best Competence 3.1 and 4.1 about asking and giving suggestion. So after you learn about this material, students are able to identify the expressions of suggestions. The students are able to analyze the sentence pattern. Students are able to use the expression, and students are able to create a dialogue by using the expressions of suggestion. Well, students, I have some questions. My first question is, have you ever had any problem and you didn't know what should do and shouldn't do?
Yes!
What did you feel in that condition? Yes, Apit?
I felt very confused.
Students, what will you do if you have a problem and you don't know what should do? Amiruddin, please.
I will ask for a suggestion from my close friend, ma'am.
Amir, do you always follow their suggestion?
Not always, ma'am. Sometimes I accept, but sometimes I reject.
Thank you, Amir. Well, students, actually, what is suggestion? What is the definition of suggestion? Who knows? Yes, Vika?
Suggestion is an idea or plan that someone proposes.
Very good, Vika. So, in what condition or situation we use the expression?
I guess when someone has some problem and they don't know what should and shouldn't do.
Very good, Adi. Now, students, you are going to listen a dialogue. While you listen, write the sentences in your notebook.
The advice, but I really need the money. Idea. Where do you want to go?
Why don't we go skiing on Saturday?
Well, students, please write your answer on the whiteboard. Who want to try for number 1? Raise your hand, please. Ahmad Nur Ahyani, please. Well, students, let's check the answers together. Look at the slide. Well, good job, students. So all of the answers are correct. Well, students, look at the red color. What does the speaker want to express at the red color? Yes, please, Emma.
The speaker gives a suggestion to do something and not to do something.
Very good, Emma. How about the green color? What does the speaker want to express? Please, Natasha.
The speaker gives response, accept the suggestion and refuse the suggestion.
Good job, Natasha. Well, students, let's read aloud. Listen and repeat up to me. I think you should buy the blue one.
I think you should buy the blue one.
That's a good idea.
That's a good idea.
Where do you want to go?
Where do you want to go?
Why don't you come with me to China?
Why don't you come with me to China?
Thanks.
Thanks.
But I've already been there.
But I've already been there.
Very good. Well, students, here are more examples of expressions of suggestion. In expression of suggestion, we are going to learn asking for suggestion, giving suggestion, and responding. Asking for suggestion. Example, do you have any ideas for me? Do you have any suggestion for me? Okay, students, please make a group of 3 and practice the examples of the dialogue. Okay, students, which group wants to practice to perform in front of the class? Raise your hands, please. Jadira's group, please.
I have a terrible toothache. What would you advise? I suggest you to take an aspirin.
But I suggest that you should go to a dentist.
That sounds like a good idea.
Very good. Thank you. Okay, you may back to your seat, please. Well, students, look at the next slide. Discuss with your friends beside you to fill in the blank the pattern of Putu's suggestions and the pattern of Wayan's suggestion. Want to try to answer for the first pattern? Raise your hands, please. Students, so the pattern of Putu's suggestion consists of subject plus suggest plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Yes, good job for Vita. And then next, the second pattern of Wayan's suggestion. Anybody want to try? Raise your hands, please. Room Aisa, please. Yes, the answer is correct. The pattern of Wayan's suggestion consists of subject plus suggest plus that plus subject plus should plus verb 1 and plus object. Well, students, now I want you to go around the class, ask your friends about their problem. Write the problem in your notebook and then give some suggestion. After that, please perform in front of the class your suggestion.
Hi, Wika. Do you have any problem? Yes, I have. I am confused with managing my time between classes and school. Really? Okay, I will write your problem.
Adudia, do you have any problem recently?
My problem is I can't manage my time.
Dinda, do you have any problem? I want to buy a new phone, but I don't have any money.
Okay, students, back to your seats, please. Now, students, I give you 5 minutes to find some suggestion for each problem. And then after finish, please report in front of the class. Okay, Wanda and Raisa, please report the problems in front of the class and give some suggestions.
Okay, I will report my friend's problem. The first one is Tarisa's problem. She can't manage the time to do homework. My suggestion is she should do the homework in her free time or break time and the school. And the second is Wika's problem. She confused to manage the time between OSIS and school. My suggestion is she should make school the priority before OSIS because study is the reason why we come to the school. And the last one is Audi's problem. He feels difficult to understand the lesson. My suggestion is he should study harder than before and join the course to upgrade his skills. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Today, I will report 3 problems for my friends. The first one is Nabila. She wants to lose her weight, but she don't know what to do. And then I suggest Nabila to do some exercise every Sunday morning. The second, Emma. She wants to buy a bag, but she don't have enough money to buy the bag. I suggest Emma to save her money in order to get enough money to buy the bag. And 3, Natasha. Next Monday, she has an exam, but in the same time, she must go to Surabaya to meet her grandparents. I suggest her to come to the teacher and make a schedule with her to get another exam. That are my friends' problems and my suggestions. Thank you.
Okay, students, it's time for you to make the conclusions about what we have learned for today.
Suggestion is an idea or a plan that someone proposed. We can use suggestion when someone have a problem and they don't know what to do or what not to do. There's so many ways we can ask for suggestion. For example, do you have any ideas for me? Or what should I do? And we also have many ways of giving suggestion, like you should go to the doctor or you had better go now. There is to respond to suggestion. First, we can accept the suggestion, like yes, I like to, or that sounds like a good idea. But we can also refuse the suggestion. For example, no, I rather not, or thank you, but that won't work because blah blah blah. Thank you very much.
Good job, Bisma. Well, students, next, in group of 3, create a conversations based on the following prompt. Student A, tell your problem and ask suggestion to B. Student B, give a suggestion to A. Student A refuse this suggestion. Student B give another alternative of suggestions, and student A accept it. Do the dialogue at home and you will perform the next meeting. Thank you.